really like you. I pray to God that you'd like me too. I'm alive for fire and I'll suck you dry, and all I can offer are bloodshot eyes. Take my heart, I'll add a bucket full of lies. I feed myself on the tears you'll cry. Not that I like it, but I need to feed. I'll amuse you, abuse you, leave your body on the streets. Well, I'm not so sure what to say I do, but I'm not so sure if I'm that good for you. Love like eyes, a wolf in disguise. My heart and my brain collide. Sweating all around, I feel sick to the bone. But just my insides.